Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm back again with another butter recipe that you can make at home in just 5 minutes using your food processor. All you need is your heavy cream and a little bit of salt. It's quick, easy, and so much better than store-bought. So let's jump right in. Alright, so like I said, you only need your heavy cream and your salt. Just that. You don't need anything else. And of course, you need your food processor. Okay? You can use a blender, stand mixer, or a hand mixer. Okay? I have a video on both the hand mixer and the stand mixers. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below for you to check it out. So we'll start by pouring our heavy cream into our food processor, okay? So I'm going to secure the lid, then allow it to blend for about 3 to 5 minutes. You will first notice the cream turns into whipped cream, but you don't stop, you keep going. Soon the butter will separate from the buttermilk, leaving you with solid butter and a liquid, which is the buttermilk. Now, once the butter separates, carefully we'll go ahead to pour off the buttermilk into a separate bowl. And you know we are not going to throw it away. We are going to use it for a delicious recipe that calls for buttermilk. You can use it for your baking or whatever recipes that calls for buttermilk. So what I'm doing is to squeeze out all the buttermilk from the butter. I'm making sure that everything comes out, okay? I'm using my fine strainer, but you can use your cheesecloth. That works perfectly. Now we'll rinse the butter under a cold water while gently pressing it with my hands. This will help remove any remaining buttermilk, which will help keep your butter fresh for longer. To store your buttermilk, just pour it into a bottle or a glass container. Store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. But if you want it to last for a very long time, you can store it in the freezer. Okay? So at this point, if you're going for the salted butter, this is the right time to add in your salt. You mix it really well and your butter is ready. Or if you're going for unsalted butter, just omit the salt and just shape it and you are good to go. Once that is done, you can transfer your butter into a airtight container or just wrap it with a parchment paper. It can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or even longer in the freezer. And just like that, you have your fresh homemade butter in just 5 minutes. It's creamy, delicious, and perfect for spreading, cooking, or baking. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the bell notification for more easy and fun recipes. Let me know in the comments how your butter turns out. And until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys!